How to change TikTok account country or region. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your TikTok account country or region. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And here, once you are in the section, just tap on account. And after that, you simply have to tap on account information. Now here you'll see the option called account region. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section from this list, simply select your preferred country. And here once you have selected that, your TikTok account will update to that new region automatically. And with that, step 2 is to hide location on TikTok. So here with that, let's make sure that TikTok doesn't use your real location. So here to do that, simply exit the TikTok app and now here simply long press on the TikTok app icon. And now from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info and now here once you are inside the app settings, just tap on app permissions and here just tap on locations and here just set it to don't allow. And after that, you can just go back to the TikTok location services settings and tap delete certain location data and you can tap delete again to confirm it. And that's it. That's how you can change your TikTok country or region on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.